Hi everyone, warm welcome to all. Today it's about the transit of June month, and June brings an exciting start and refreshing energy with Mars in Aries after 2 years and Uranus in Taurus after 84 years. Also, we will have Mercury starting its journey through Taurus sign after its tight conjunction with Uranus in Aries at 29 degrees on 31st of May, just a day before. And this conjunction in Aries can be very dynamic and transformative in nature and can bring some sudden changes in our thought process, in our perception, with some breakthrough and a strong drive for new ideas, some innovative solutions to our current problems. Simultaneously, we have Moon and Saturn conjunction in Aquarius at 24 degrees on 31st of May, just a day before the 1st of June. Both this event indicates mixed feeling, creates fear of change, excitement, but also worries on what next. So we start the month with this mixed feeling. On 1st of June, Mars will cross Pisces Gandanta also and will enter Aries, its Mool Trikon sign. Mars is the natural ascendant lord of the zodiac and signifies our action, our duties and responsibilities of life. For the entire month, Mars will be in Aries and will have a third aspect of Saturn from Aquarius. Not just that, Saturn will also aspect Scorpio with its 10th aspect. We have combined aspect of Jupiter and Saturn both on Scorpio for the entire year, and also now the aspect of Mars, its lord, till August, till Mars crosses Aries and Taurus. Mars will have aspect on Scorpio. Expect a major end and a new start, some significant change or some new development with Aries and Scorpio placement of your chart. Also on the 3rd of June, Moon will cross Pisces Gandanta and will join this Mars in Aries. Moon will also make a new start of its journey through Aries. Jupiter and Uranus will be in Taurus throughout this June month. Mercury, Venus and Sun will be in Taurus for first couple of weeks of this month. And we have Jupiter and Mercury and Sun and Venus tight conjunction in Taurus. Also, we have new moon in Rohini in Taurus sign. So initially we have 5 planets in Taurus, a fixed and earthy sign. There can be a strong sense of stability and groundedness, but with all the eyes on Scorpio sign and having some major transformation. All these transits in Taurus can also enhance overindulgence, activating our 5 senses. There will be more appreciation for the finer things of life, including good food, comfort, and pleasures of life. Focus can be more on the tangibles, the beautiful and the secure aspect of life. Expect practical, reliable, and methodical approach to everything with some strong personal values. This can be both a strength and a challenge, as it provides a solid foundation, but can also lead to stubbornness and resistance to change. See, we have all the benefits together in Taurus. Jupiter, Venus, Mercury and also Moon in Taurus around 6th of June. and moon will be exalted. Jupiter and Mercury conjunction on the 4th of June can enhance our intellectual pursuits and communication with a practical, positive, and grounded approach. It can bring optimism, some wise thinking, and detailed planning, especially in our financial and family matters. It also favors learning, practical conversations, and thorough, well considered decisions. Also, after a long time now, Venus will move ahead of Sun after its conjunction with Sun on 5th of June. Venus and all its signification will shine brighter as the Sun will throw all its lights from behind. Expect increased value for fair relations, equality, confidence in our negotiations, opportunities for financial gains, and creative expression. Very good for art, music, or any passion. Hope for a finishing silver line and a new start on everything that happened in past 15 days with the new moon of 6th of June in Taurus in Rohini Nakshatra, Moon's Nakshatra. A new moon in Taurus can be a very powerful time for setting new intentions related to our financial stability, personal values, and creating a comfortable, secure environment within family. It encourages practical new beginnings, patience, and perseverance with a focus on material and also comfort and pleasures of life. With this new moon, gradually by 12th of June, the energies will shift to Gemini as one by one Mercury, Venus, and Sun will enter Gemini. Another significant transit will be on 13th of June when Jupiter will enter Rohini Nakshatra. This time can be very auspicious and favorable for growth, abundance, and prosperity. There will be a feel good factor. Family bonding and finances can benefit the most, as Rohini, being the moon's nakshatra, promotes all the qualities of nurturing, support, caring, and emotional fulfillment at all the levels. We also have Mercury and Sun, also Venus and Mercury conjunction in Gemini. See, this trio of Sun, Mercury, and Venus generally transits around each other. Gemini is the sign of curiosity, having fun, a lot of communication. It's all about knowledge sharing, learning, and social interactions. This period can be marked by charm, expression, and a playful approach to our close relationships, learning. Jupiter in Rohini can boost all these significations even more. Best time to improve our communication skills, expand our knowledge base, and engage in some creative and social activities that can bring us joy and intellectual fulfillment. Even any challenging task can be done with an ease. With such flowing energy of Gemini, make best use of this month. And Mercury is at home. Its own sign is very speedy in its motion, and Mercury moves 3 signs within this June month. Start with Taurus, then Gemini, and at the end of the month, Mercury moves to Cancer sign. So the second half of the month, especially after 12th of June, after Venus will enter Gemini, it's a very happening time. There can be more social activities, networking with new people, and strengthening our friendships. Then on 22nd of June, there is Sagittarius full moon in Moola Nakshatra at 6 degrees. With the transformative energy of Moola Nakshatra and Ketu, expect a major significant end or closure where Sagittarius and Virgo is placed in our chart, because Ketu is placed in Virgo. This Moola full moon can encourage spiritual growth, release, and detachment. It can enhance our karmic insight, can present us some new opportunities for deep emotional healing, letting go of the past patterns and our attachments. We can focus more on seeking higher knowledge. This full moon can give us opportunity to expand our horizons and can give us some new experiences in life. Then on 29th of June, Mercury will transit to Cancer sign. This time can enhance emotional communication, intuitive thinking, and a focus on home and family. It brings a nurturing, protective quality to our conversations and to our thoughts. And this will be with emotional understanding and empathy. Best time to work on family bonds, trusting our intuition and expressing our emotions through some creative outlet. Lastly, on 30th of June, Saturn will get retrograde in Aquarius at 25 degrees of Purva Bhadrapad Nakshatra. This can be the time to deal with issues we have been avoiding related to our career, health, and everything that Aquarius represents in our chart. We are forced to see things differently now and reevaluate everything. See, Saturn is almost stationary for the entire June, not even crossing 1 degree. But Jupiter, its nakshatra lord, is extra fast and transits nearly 7 degrees to make up this Saturn's slow speed. Overall, June can bring some fundamental shift with its rich and soothing energies, especially after 12th of June and with all the fast moving planets in Gemini sign. It's observed that generally June brings enriching energies as Sun transits the most active and joyful sign Gemini. Venus and Mercury are normally around Sun only. So generally June goes very soothing. Now let us see for each ascendant how this energy will unfold for each of us. Do check Aries, Taurus and Gemini sign, as things are happening around these signs and their opposite signs, that is Aries, Scorpio and Sagittarius, for their impact. Aries, expect strong personal presence with focus on self-worth and your appearance during this month. There can be change and a brand new beginning for you. You can be much more energetic, but be watchful of any impulsive action. Your focus can be more on traveling, expanding your horizons, improving your finances, and learning at all the levels. There can be some good, pleasant time with family, eating good food, changing your habits, and a lot of communication. Taurus, your aim is to work on your personal finances, family possessions, and your material security. Expect good health, foreign travel, and charisma in nearly everything that surrounds you. You may work on having comfort at all the levels and taking care of your relations the most. Also, some major expenses or traveling to distant places will be your focus. This month can bring some desired change that you have been waiting for related to travel, family, or finances. Gemini, best month for you with some practical communication, with focus on learning and creating happy environment within your circle. June can be the best month to reflect on your realizations so far. Also, do have a close look at your health. Make necessary changes in your daily routine, the way you deal with your staff and manage your expenses. You will achieve success and will be very confident about your own self, your health, and can have some very cordial yet logical conversations with others. Cancer, your desires will get fulfilled with increased new and benefic connections in this month. Your strong emphasis will be on home, family, desire for a stable and beautiful living environment. This can be a very energetic and courageous time that can bring you fresh opportunities in your career and also having some pleasure trips to foreign countries. June month will bring many changes in your children's life also, in your health matters, your trading work, and also in your creative projects. Leo, you can have expansion in your business or your job. Very eventful time for your career, at home, with your children, in your creative projects or any stock market activities. June certainly brings major shift in these areas or some sudden change. It can be very rewarding time with name, fame and wealth with status in society. Almost the entire month is such. Your expectation can be realized. New people can enter into your circle and your communication can be excellent and to the point to get you some good business. Virgo, there can be a sense of relief with a better state of mind and a gradual increase in your work, your profession, job related matter, travel, any documentation or educational matter can move forward or see some development. After 12th of June, you can be very active and attentive towards foreign connections, working with them or traveling to foreign countries. Be careful with some last minute changes, any unexpected delays or even cancellation. There can be major shift in the way you perceive and manage your family relations. Be patient and refrain from any conflict which is very likely. Libra, you can go through a major shift and much required transformation in this month. You may want to learn new subjects or read about new things. Your communication can be very wise and mature with your family and friends. It is the best time for short travel, having some good food and comfort with family and creating some new investment options. There can be a sudden shift in your relations, personal and professional, both with some new opportunities and elevated status, but do avoid any conflicts. Scorpio, almost entire month you can be busy, super energetic and passionate on the work front, managing your own self, your health and handling your work zone in the most efficient manner. Your perception towards your close relations can change for good and can bring you some sudden shift in your attitude towards these relations. The approach can be more of changing your own self and be ready for any unplanned events, releasing everything that is not helping you grow in life. Your finances, your personal values and even family life can have impact of this. Sagittarius, it can be a very competitive time and the results can be positive for you. Don't miss any opportunity to take initiative, to rise and shine with your creative projects. You may put great efforts in your work, but it is very important to eat well. Pay attention to your fitness and your health. Invest your time wisely and work on your own self. You may have a chance to travel abroad for higher studies and improve your knowledge. Capricorn, there can be a fresh start at work and the home front with some movement or some change. Focus can be on your children, your creative projects, developing some new talents, and sharing the same with your friends and your network. It is the time to fulfill your desires and reach your goals. Work on your health. Having a stable routine with a healthy lifestyle is your goal. There can be a new development in the matters related to foreign travel or visiting to distant places. Aquarius, you can have a major development in your home or work front. There will be renewed courage, stamina, and capacity to take on any difficult task. The focus will be to work on your goals, any property related issues, and having a strong foundation along with better lifestyle and good family bond. You will try to be happy by pursuing new talents, skills, being with children, or shaping your stock market or trading systematically. Pisces, you can make wonders with your communication skills and can make lasting mark, be it in your personal or professional life. June will be a very favorable time to improve your finances and to go for travel. There will be stamina, courage, a sense of accomplishment, and a good opportunity for all types of growth. Luck will be by your side in any challenging circumstances. Be gentle with your family, your mother, and strive to have peace within relations, especially with elders or your bosses. That was all about the impact on all the ascendants. Overall, June has potential to bring our desires to realization. This is a perfect time to address all our long standing goals and make necessary adjustments here. This month assures to be a fulfilling month with unexpected closure and some changes with a brand new start. Focus on boosting your confidence, improving your communication, and refining your emotional responses. Embrace every opportunity that comes your way and maintain your efforts to achieve success. That was all about the transits of June month. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone. Thank you for your time. Do share your feedback and stay tuned with this channel for more updates. Thank you.